If you sell digital designs on Etsy or you are thinking about selling and opening a shop, you might end up in a situation that you upload the wrong file and the only way that you find out about this is from a customer. In this video, I will share a method that might help you get out of difficult situation and still get you positive feedback. We are all humans and we all make mistakes. Even if you work with checklist or you are double checking your work before uploading, when life gets in the way, you will be distracted, tired or stressed. One way or another, at some point you will make an error that you will not be aware of until a customer points it out. And this could be a tricky situation. You might be lucky and get a patient person, or you might be getting a customer that will be very disappointed, impatient, or simply in a hurry. To avoid an impatient person leaving a 1-star review is simple. Be quick. Answer the message very fast. Do not allow the customer to get more annoyed than he or she already is. What should you write in your message when you want to correct your error as a seller? 1. Thank the customer for their message and for their patience. 2. Apologize for your error. 3. Attach the correct files. According to Etsy, you are allowed to attach to a single message 3 files up to 100 megabytes each. You can send JPEGs, GIF, PDF or PNG. Bear in mind that you cannot send a zip file. So if you had more files in the listing, then send a second message with the remaining files. Make sure to explain this to the customer in the first message, as some people might be getting antsy about the number of messages. Number 4. Add a freebie. Add a file that complements their original order, something in the same topic, and thank your customer again for pointing out the error. Add a coupon for their next order. Create a coupon code with no expiry date. What you shouldn't do when responding to customer query about the wrong digital design. 1. Do not leave your customer hanging. Simply do not leave them in a state that they feel being ripped off. 2. Do not ask for a review. Never ever ask for a review in a situation like that. Let the customer decide whether they leave a review or not. 3. Don't be rude, even when the customer is not so nice. In some extreme situations, either the customer or you might have to contact the Etsy customer support for help with resolving the issue. And if you will be rude to the customer, even though some deserve that, then the case might not sway in your favor. On top of that, it's not very professional as a seller to be rude to your customers. The worst case scenario here is when the customer leaves a negative review. So pretty much the action which you have to take is exactly the same. Plus, let them know that you are a small business and how the review hurts your store. But do not try to buy a better review. Simply put, do not ask for a better review in exchange for a free product. Never ever do that. Give the free product and some customers will change the review, some not. If your customer won't change the 1-star review, wait for a week or so and write a reply. And again, bear in mind that all your customers who read the review section and scan for the negative reviews will see the message. So if you explain in a polite way the whole situation and how you attempted to resolve that, then they will see who you are as a seller and how you treat your customers. They won't feel discouraged ordering from you, and they will be assured that you will deal with any problem in a professional way. So in short, be professional. I have created a simple message that you can copy and reuse or edit and build upon. Put it to good use and try your best to fix your mistakes. You can download a free PDF with some examples from my Gumroad store. Link is in the description below. Bear in mind that 99% of people who leave reviews will leave a positive review. Some will elaborate, explaining what you have done, some not. One other thing to remember, 3 or 4-star review is still a positive review. So do not stress yourself about it and put your energy into creating more products. The last thing left here is to check all your products for potential errors. If you have a couple hundred products already uploaded, then schedule some time every day, one shop category at a time. If you like content about Etsy, digital downloads and public domain works, then like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.